I want to roll some tubes in my LS15. Hi, welcome to Lancaster Hi-Fi. I'm Stephen Lancaster, and today I'm going to roll some tubes. Chris gave me some 6N23P EV Russian tubes. These are the Russian equivalents of 6922s or E88CCs. They are in the 6DJ8 family and suitable for use in my audio research LS15, which currently has 7 DJ8s in it. And so I'm going to take those, I'm going to listen to the 7 DJ8s. I'm going to take those out. I'm going to put in the 6N23P EVs and listen to those and see if we can tell any difference, especially when we put the clips side by side. So, join me on this tube rolling adventure. Okay. Wow. I may have to figure out a way to keep those. You know, it's always hard to say for sure, which is one of the reasons that I put this on camera, that I record it, so that I can put clips side by side. But it sounded really good before, and that sounded really good. Louder, I think. I mean, it really hit me when it started. I think it's louder, which kind of makes sense if you're using 6-volt tubes instead of 7-volt tubes, which is what was in there. What's the difference? 7-volt filament versus a 6-volt filament. And the voltage on the filament, of course, is the same because it's the same amplifier. That's determined by the power transformer of the amplifier. But some tubes are meant to take 7 point something volts and others are meant to take 6 point something volts. specifically 6.3 volts. I don't know what the exact voltage for the 7-volt tubes is. Now, 7-volt tubes would be a great idea in some old vintage amplifiers that were designed for lower line voltages than today, so that you didn't have to modify, because you can, sometimes the heater voltages can be over spec, not only over 6.3 volts, but, enough over 6.3 volts to potentially damage or at least shorten the life of the tube. And sometimes I've seen the heater voltages go as high as 7 volts. And in that case, a 7-volt tube would be a nice substitution. But this is not a vintage amplifier. This is a 1990s amplifier, when line voltages were the same as today. And so you might imagine then that you put a lower than spec filament voltage on a tube, you're not necessarily going to get the kind of emission that you would with spec voltage. Maybe. So it might make sense that these sound louder. I don't know, though. Again, always got to see the clips side by side, but my impression was fuller, probably just louder, but maybe a different, the differences among tubes are mainly volume. But if there is a difference in volume, that's always the easiest thing to hear. That's always the thing that's really going to jump out at you. And you won't necessarily notice it as a difference in volume. So it's tricky, it's kept everything exactly the same, kept the camera going, etc. So anyway, just a neat little tube rolling exercise. Well, I hope you got a kick out of some tube rolling. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. What's your favorite tube of the 7DJ8 or 6DJ8 family? Give me high points. Do the stuff. Anyway, mostly I hope you tune in again, and if you do, I will talk to you later. Cheers.